I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on Fifth Third Bank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker and update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section in the menu. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile section, find the option to edit your details. Click on Edit Profile to access the fields you want to update. Step 4. Update your information. Change the necessary information such as your address, phone number, or email. Double check for any typos before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you may receive a confirmation email or notification. Make sure to check that your updates are reflected in your account. If you encounter any issues, remember to check the website for any maintenance notices that might affect your ability to save changes. Happy banking!